Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Chembulli School of Mathematics. Today's our topic second order derivative. Second order derivative of a function is the derivative of the derivative of function. That means first we have to find the derivative of function, then again find the derivative of that result. That means first to find derivative, then again find derivative of that result. That is second order derivative. That means we have to do 2 times differentiation. The notation of second order derivative is d square by dx square. We know the derivative notation. First order derivative notation is d by dx. Then second order derivative notation is d square by dx square. The notation is derived from the following formula, that is d square by dx square. We know what is second order derivative. It's a derivative of the derivative of function, that is derivative of the derivative of function, that is d by dx of d by dx, that is 2 times we have to find derivatives, that is d square by dx square. Then we can go to the one example. Okay. Then before that one, if you have any confusion in first order derivative, to learn that basic differentiation, that is first order derivative, go through the link given in description box. Okay, go through that link and learn that part first. Then after that come to this part, this example part. Okay, then only you will get the more idea. Then first one, here y equal to 5x power 4 plus 7x square plus 7x plus 11. Then first we can differentiate this y with respect to x. That is derivative of y. What is derivative of y? dy by dx. That is dy by dx is equal to 5 times, we know the derivative of x raised to 4. What is derivative of x raised to 4? 4x cube. Then derivative of x square is 2x. Then derivative of x is 1. Then derivative of 11 is 0. Okay. Then we can simplify this part, that is 5 times 4 20, then 7 times 2 14, then 7 times 1 7. Okay. The next one, again we are going to differentiate this dy by dx, that is d square y by dx square. That is second derivative means again differentiate this result, that is derivative of the derivative of function, that is again we have to find the derivative of this part, then we will get the second order derivative. That is, we can write that one as, we know what is the notation to represent second order derivative, that is d square by dx square. That means here we can write, here we are going to find the derivative of y, that is we can write like this, d square y dx square. That is second order derivative of y with respect to x. That is the meaning of this one. Okay, d square y by dx square equal to, then again going to find the differentiation. Differentiate this part. Okay, that is 20 times, then what is the derivative of x cube? That is 3x square. Then 14 times, what is derivative of x? That is 1. Then we know the constant term, that is the term without x, that derivative is 0, and only write that part here. Okay, then simplify this part, then we will get d square y by dx square equal to 20 times 3. What is 20 times 3? That is 60 x square. Then 14 times 1 40. That is the answer. That is, here we have to do 2 times differentiation. Then we can move to the problem part. The first problem, y is equal to 7x square minus 4x plus 5. Then first to find derivative of y. Derivative of y, then what is derivative of y? First is 7 times, what is derivative of x square? That is 2x. Then minus 4 times, derivative of x is 1. Then we can simplify this part, we will get 7 times 2, that is 14x, then 7 times 1, that is 4. The next, again find derivative of this part, 14x minus 4, that is the second order derivative. We can write that one as d square y by dx square equal to 14. Then what is the derivative of x? We know derivative of x is 1. This 14 times 1 is a constant term, that is the term without x. Then what is the derivative of that part? Is 0. Okay, that is, we will get the answer 14 times 1. What is 14 times 1? That is 40. That is the answer. second order derivative of this function is, what is that one? That is answer is 40. Okay, then the second problem. Y equal to 5 x power 4 minus x cubed plus 7. First we can find the first derivative, that is dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to, then 5 times what is the differentiation of x power 4, that is 4x cube, then differentiation of x cube, what is x cube, that is 3x square, then differentiation of constant term, that is 0. Okay, then again then we can simplify this part, then we will get 5 times 4 20 and minus 3x square, then find again find the derivative of this part, that is 20x cube minus 3x square, that is d square y by dx square. Then we can write d square y by dx square equal to, then 20 times, then the derivative of x cube is 3x square minus 3 times the derivative of x square is 2x. Then next simplify this part, we will get 20 times 3, what is 20 times 3, that is 60, and minus 3 times 2, that is 6, that is 6x. Okay, that is second order derivative means we have to find differentiation how many times? 2 times. First we have to find the derivative of function, then find the derivative of that result, that is second order derivative. If you don't know the basic differentiation of polynomial function, just go through the description box, then there one link is there, and go through that link and learn that part. Okay. Thank you.